How to remove backgrounds from images on your Android device. If you have a picture of a person that you would like to use but would prefer that it had a different background, I'm going to show you how you can do this on your Android device. Okay, straight into it. So first, you need to download the app remove.bg. So go to the Play Store, do a search for this app, download it. Once downloaded, open up the app. Click on Upload Image. Choose from your gallery or wherever your photos are saved. So I'm going to go to my Downloads folder and say I want to remove the background from the photo of this lady here. I'll click on that one. It's uploading the photo. Now removing the background. And you'll see the background from this photo is now completely removed. You can see the original there with the background behind the lady, and you can see the photo with the background removed. Next, you can download this photo, save it into your gallery, and then use that photo however you would like. And that's all it takes to remove backgrounds from images on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.